Here's the brutal truth about e-commerce that nobody wants to admit. 90% of product launches fail because entrepreneurs pick products based on gut feeling instead of data. But here's what's crazy. 73% of successful e-commerce businesses use the exact same 16 research methods I'm about to reveal. In the next 4 minutes, you'll discover the proven strategies that helped brands build million-dollar businesses from scratch. Method 1. Solve customer pain points. Go to Amazon, find products with 100-plus reviews, read the one-star reviews. What are people complaining about? That's your opportunity. Gloria Huang discovered cyclists hated ugly helmets, so she created stylish safety gear with 1,000 helmets. Method 2. Spot trends early. Use Google Trends and TikTok hashtags before they go mainstream. Miguel Leal noticed grocery stores lacked restaurant-quality Mexican food and built Somos into a $1 million brand. Method 3. Target passionate niches. Hobbyists pay premium prices for perfect products. Chomps didn't sell generic jerky. They targeted keto dieters specifically and built explosive growth. Method 4. Serve underserved markets. Millie Flemington Clare created human beauty for people with disabilities using sensory-friendly packaging. Entire demographics are being ignored. Method 5. Keyword Research Goldmine. JJ Folano found Zero Waste Store, had 15,000 monthly searches with zero competition. He built the business and hit $1 million in sales year 1. Method 6. Social Media Intelligence. Jacob Winter's TikTok rug videos went viral, proving massive demand existed. Gen Z discovers products on social platforms, not Google. Method 7. Study marketplace bestsellers. Amazon's lists reveal exactly what customers want. Don't copy, analyze patterns, and improve existing products. Method 8. Make products better, not new. Brightland transformed basic olive oil into a premium brand through better packaging and education. Method 9. Focus on high margins. Target clothing, specialty items, and digital products. Lower costs mean faster profitability. Method 10. Embrace sustainability. Consumers demand eco-friendly options. Create sustainable versions of existing products. Method 11. Attend trade shows. Watch which booths generate buzz. That's where opportunities hide. Method 12. Offer personalization. Pluto Pillow customizes every pillow to individual sleep preferences, commanding premium prices. Method 13. Monitor international markets. Korean beauty exploded globally after dominating Asia first. Method 14. Add social impact. Hippie Feet donates 50% of profits, creating emotional connections that justify higher prices. Method 15. Validate before investing. Use crowdfunding, pre-sales, or minimum viable products to test demand. Method 16. Leverage research tools. Use free platforms like Google, Keyword Planner, TikTok, Creative Center, and trend analysis tools to reveal opportunities humans miss. Your $1 million product is hiding in plain sight. Pick 3 methods and research this week. Comment which strategy you're trying. Smash that like button if this helped you find your next opportunity. Subscribe for more strategies. Every successful business started with research and action. Your e-commerce empire is waiting. Time to find the product that builds it.